everyone, this is Vicki with Vicki's Tigger Tales. Welcome to my channel where we swap, unbox, and talk all things Disney. And we sometimes do this swap slash collaboration, whatever you want to call it, called Year of the Year. Year of the Year is a monthly swap where we can either make ears for each other or we can actually buy from a small shop, preferably an Etsy, or there are some Year of the Year folks that do their own and have their own shops, so sometimes we can reach out to them and support small shops as well. It's been a long time since I've actually done one of these. I think the last one was, I want to say October of last year sometime. Lots of things have happened since then. I've moved from Arizona to California, so I was taking a little bit of a time off or a little bit of a break. Normally we wear the ears that we got last. I honestly can't remember which ones they were. I guess I could have gone back on my videos, but even if I did, I think the ears that I got last probably would be packed up in a closet somewhere because I'm still unpacking and still organizing. So anyway, I got my box. It is June's Year of the Year. The theme was rainbows and sunshine, and I'm really excited about this. I saw who this is sent to me. Oh my goodness, words. And it's someone I adore and just absolutely think is fantastic. So I am excited. I have cut the tape on it to get these open and haven't peeked, but I'm really excited about trying to, or seeing, because she makes some really great ears. So I'm getting into it right now. So here is the card, and it's absolutely adorable. It's got my favorite characters on it. My absolute favorite character. Actually, I'm wearing a shirt with him on it. It is Tigger and the gang, or actually Pooh and Friends, but you know, I'm a Tigger girl, so. It says, Vicki, I'm so excited to send you these ears. They came, let's see, they came out a little clunkier than I imagined, but I think the extra element we added is worth it. Interesting. Okay, extra element. I wonder if it's like a light up or something. Give the center of a bow a big squeeze. Okay, so maybe a big squeeze and see what happens. Karen and Andy. Now, these two are super, super special. I absolutely love them. So I cannot wait. I know Karen makes some amazing ears. So, okay. So they are just wrapped in bubble wrap. I can kind of see a little bit, but let's see here. Okay. Oh, there's two pair. All right, there's two pairs of ears. Fabulous. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so it looks like she went for this pair of ears. The rainbow theme. Yay. Okay, so this is, it has got a pink bow in the middle, and this is the Millennium Falcon in rainbow colors, which I think that is so cool. Oh my goodness. I don't have many pride ears or anything. This would be really cool to be able to wear during this month, which I will do a separate video on this, but there may be some times that I'm down at the park a little more often, or at least downtown Disney, than not. So you have to wear these when I go. Okay, second pair. Oh. No, these don't. These ones probably are not the ones that have the magic, I guess. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, alright. Another, looks like a neon green kind of color. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like Mike Wazowski green, or maybe Kermit the Frog green. Okay, so she said to push the center of the ears. Let me show you guys first. These are really pretty. It's got the rainbow on the back side too, or I guess you could wear them either way. But I love this. This is cool. Okay, let's see here.
Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection.
Oh my god.
The dreamers and me.
Oh my god, that is so special. I thought it was like light up. Oh, okay, sorry guys. Wow. Okay, you guys gotta hear this. This is Andy singing.
Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, sorry, but I had a very, very special moment a while ago where I was on a live with Andy and Karen, and, oh goodness, Andy sang a song with me. We got to sing a couple of duets together, and that is probably one of my favorite memories on, being on YouTube, is, first of all, you get to meet so many incredible people, and when they send you stuff to remind you of some really happy memories, that is just extra special. Oh, those are perfect. I don't know if anyone's going to be able to top this month. These are really, really special. And they're not really that heavy at all. So there's a little device in the middle, and she covered it with that really awesome material. And aside from it being a little tighter, I might just have to pin it a little heavier. I can pin it into my hair, and these are definitely gonna get shown off for sure. Oh my gosh, wow, that is amazing. Karen, Andy, thank you. These are precious. Thank you so much. What an amazing idea, right? Like that, especially something that was so special to me. I just don't have any more words, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. But these are amazing. These are incredible. Andy, that's so special. Thank you so much for singing that song. And always being so amazing and so much fun to watch. And Karen, I just don't have any words. And I keep rambling, so, because I don't want this to end. Anyway, I love you both. Thank you so much, and ta-ta for now.